This is the start of what's going to be a very busy couple of weeks. We're going to be over at SEMA in Las Vegas. We've got a ton of miles on the road. But when it comes to something like this, Mustang Dark Horse, we have to get it ready, right? We have to get it prepped for the road. We have to get this thing set for many happy miles ahead.
Welcome to the Elite Dealer Ceramic Pro Chicago.
It's great to be here. Brand new car, ready to get it set up. Lots of journeys ahead, lots planned, but this is the first stop. This is the start of what's going to be a very busy couple of weeks. We're going to be over at SEMA in Las Vegas. We've got a ton of miles on the road.
As far as what we are doing, so we're going to protect the vehicle. I said earlier, I'm an Elite Dealer, right? And the purpose of this is so that you know that you could come to an Elite Dealer, get a customized experience on how you want to protect your vehicle, and know that you could really probably be anywhere in America and get that service done. So what we're going to do to it is Ultimate Armor, which is everything you need, nothing more, nothing less. It protects you from rock chips where you need it, and environmental damage with the ceramic coating where you need it. So that's the idea, is the Ultimate Armor. But for you, we're actually going to expand on that a little bit more, because this is not your normal everyday car. So it's actually going to get the full Kavaca paint protection film wrap, plus the coating, so you're going to be ultra protected from top to bottom.
Which is exactly what we want.
Yes.
I mean, I've got, over the next couple of weeks alone, probably 5,000 miles on the road. We're going to drive it from here at the Elite Dealer in Chicago, all the way down to Florida, and then we're going to go all the way across to Las Vegas.
Now that the Dark Horse has been prepared, we're going to take a look around it, and to do so, we are rejoined by a familiar face, Adam from Ceramic Pro.
Hi, welcome to Las Vegas. It looks beautiful. I mean, I'm always so happy to see my product looking this good. I haven't seen it actually in person with my own eyes with the gloss conversion on the vinyl, and I think it looks way more aggressive and flows with everything. So I think it just looks awesome.
This is where it's super impressive because, all of these, for example, totally immaculate, all cleaned up beautifully. We protected this lot as well. This is obviously all good, but they're all separate parts. So if there is a niggle and you want to change something, you literally just peel it off, go again. So it's nice to be here, nice to get it refreshed, looking good, and we'll get it on the stand later on.
Yes, excited for SEMA.
It's going to be cool.